Mojo!
It's Mojo time, and the focus of this video is osmosis. There's a second video on this, so check that out later, but for the moment, get your imagination fired up and let's get started. Osmosis is the movement of water through a partially permeable membrane. Have you heard that the Australians are about to launch a brand new type of car? It's called Osmosis. Get it? Australian Motors, Osmosis. Osmosis sounds like osmosis, which is what this story is about. Osmotors run on water, not petrol. It's been an idea going through the brain of a really clever man in Australia. Man's brains? That reminds you of membranes. So, osmotors, powered by water, going through a man's brain. Reminds you that osmosis is about water passing through a membrane. You just need to remember that it's actually a partially permeable membrane. In osmosis, water moves from a solution with a high concentration of water to a solution with a lower concentration of water. How do osmotors run on water? Well, here's the solution. And you need to remember that it is a solution, because osmosis is all about the movement of water between solutions. It relies on the little-known fact that water is shy. A bit like you and me, water does not like to be stared at. So to make osmotors work, you need two containers with water solutions in them, separated by a partially permeable membrane, like this. Then you concentrate really hard on one of the water solutions. Stare at it, okay? Let's call this one the high concentration water solution. After a while, you notice that most of the high concentration water would have got embarrassed about being stared at, and would have moved to the lower concentration water solution. That neatly reminds you that in osmosis, water moves from a solution with a higher concentration of water to a solution with a lower concentration of water. Okay, let's see how hard you were concentrating there. Fill in the gaps in these sentences. Pause the video while you think. Here are the answers. And that's it for this topic. Do the quiz in the worksheet now. They'll fix this content in your head. And re-watch this video when we send you a reminder. But in the meantime, thanks for using your imagination.